Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's video, we're going to be playing some Build a Boat for Treasure with Travis. This is going to be the first video on the Team Unique channel.
Hello, everybody.
Where he is the
It's
co-founder,
such
I am
it's such a
the
pleasure to own a clan, and it's actually going really successful.
Yeah, we started like quite a while ago, and our
I know
TikTok
we
engagement board.
started like 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, and we're going really good for like 3 or 2 weeks. So
Yeah, if you would like
our
to
TikTok
join, make sure
is
to go ahead and click that first link in the description. It's going to
yeah
be
go
our
go
Discord invite link.
go to the description, and the links will be for like our Instagram, our Twitter, and all of our socials, and blah 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 blah. Also, remember to join our Discord server. We do daily things like game nights on there. We do like everything. Also, if you want to play with us, add the official Discord account, which Troy will link in the description. Well, not link, but we'll put um, the name and the tag for Team Unique for Discord if
Yeah,
you want to play
I'll
with
just put
us.
it down there just in case if the invite link expires. I'll make sure to put that down there, and then you just add it, and then me or the co-owner will hop on the account and we'll accept you. Make sure to go follow our socials: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, etc. And we're just gonna build our. Travis is gonna build the boat. I am not even doing a single thing. And I'm getting a phone call. I'll be right back.
So everybody, don't forget to subscribe to the main channel. Me and Troy and all the other members. Just go to our Discord and everything will be there. So currently, I am building off the boat right now. Well, not building off it. I'm holding it off and covering it right now. Which I'm almost finished. Just gotta make this secure and sturdy.
All right, we are back. Yes, I am back, baby.
Okay.
So as you can tell, we're kind of goaded, or Travis is goaded. He's been playing this game for a long time. So go give him some support. His link will be down in the description for his personal YouTube channel. Um, you know. So let's get on with this. We're gonna wait till he's done building.
Yeah, I'm almost done.
As you can see, he is
Whoops.
hard at work. So hopefully you guys will drop a like and subscribe, because if not, you know, I'm not one of those people who say in 24 hours you're gonna have bad luck if you don't subscribe or like. But we would really appreciate it if you like,
Yeah.
you know.
It really helps us and just it brings us up to posting more content.
Yeah, because we post weekly on this channel. Every Monday, I will be posting a new YouTube video, and I might change up that schedule if I would like. So,
Yeah, we're gonna just post once a week to just post notifications so that we never miss a video.
yes, make sure to
Mainly
like.
because if we're gonna be posting weekly, like we are, you want to make sure that you have notifications on.
Yeah, if you don't, you're never gonna be able to see our video again. I'm trying to get 5 more golds so I can get this legendary chest here, and we can open it up on camera. It's gonna be my first
Yeah,
time
I'm just
opening.
securing this boat.
Yeah,
Like I
Travis is
literally think I'm just
breaking stuff.
spoiling it. I really think
I
I'm
think
just
just the
spoiling the
last
boat.
layer is good. And yes, we are in a private server because everything else is going to be too hard, because there's going to be people all around us. And, you know, we just felt like
Okay,
posting in a private server.
almost done.
We'll also be doing constant giveaways on our Discord server.
Yeah,
We're still
if you don't,
we're still deciding if we're actually going to do giveaways, but we most likely are.
yeah. For the people who don't know what Discord is, it's basically a gaming it's a gaming platform where you don't play games, but you can talk to your friends on it while you play games. And there's voice chats where you can talk to people. There's servers, and you can join our server by talking to us. Also, friending the Team Unique Discord, like I said, the name and the tag will be in the description. And for the people who know what Discord is and don't have it, I think it's really a bad thing. Just so you know, it's completely fine. Nobody hacks you. There's no viruses on it.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's get into this.
Yeah, and if you
Ciao.
join the Discord server, make sure
Holy frick, this is the Jesus boat for sure.
Oh god. Yeah, me and Travis, the co-owner here, we were playing earlier, and there was this guy who picked us both up. We were on the same team, so he picked us up, and he was literally in like the magic school bus. He was driving around in a car, had a working door and everything, bro. It was sick. Now,
The Jesus boat.
yeah, it was the Jesus boat. One, this is Jesus boat two. Let's get into it and enjoy the view because this is gonna be a while.
The one part about this is that there's the alligator level, and that's what really like just messes everything up. Also, for you gamers out there, if you're buying G Fuel and you watch us and you're a gamer, use code TeamUniqueLOL for your code, and you get a 10% off for your purchase. Yeah, that was a joke. I'm just kidding. That's legally impossible for us. Yeah, sometimes if you get ran over by the train, it's kind of sucky. But yeah. Our boat. Okay, I like this level, especially when you're in a box, because here's why. Boom! You flip over. It's amazing. But it's really helping because it's pushing us forward. Come on, launch us forward, please. It's pushing us forward, bro. This is helping. First person, we're up. Yeah, the alligator. I mean, no, this isn't the alligator level. The next one's the alligator. Yeah, the alligator level really sucks because the alligators remove your seats. I'm walking right now, bro. Go into first person. Go into first person and look inside the box. Oh my god. I can't get into the seat. Okay, we're on the alligator level. This is not nice. I can see the alligators inside first person. They're tearing up our seats.
Yeah, it doesn't matter about
that's not nice. He just took off my bucket. The alligator took off my bucket. What a man. There's only one chair in the boat, and that's what you're on. You're only on one chair. Oh! Did you just get glitched out? Are you still in? Okay, yeah. For my screen, it said that you were glitched out. What's up? Go into first person. It's hilarious.
Oh my god.
Yeah, what's up? It's partying up in here, yo. Let's get it. We're almost there. We're on breakfast. We are now officially on the breakfast level. I've been on every single level because I've played this for so long. Oh wait, no, this isn't breakfast. There's just ketchup and mustard. There's just ketchup and mustard farting on us. Yeah. Comment down below if you like donuts or not. Use hashtag yes donut or hashtag no donut. I don't see any pancakes. There's just ketchup and mustard. Oh, I see. That must see the pancakes. I see pancakes. Alright, we're on the last level. Go into first person. It's amazing. Yeah. Oh crap. There's a very oh my, well, I think we might win. Yeah, we might win. Just as long as the boat goes forward right now. Let's go, we won. Yeah, we're still gonna win. Just we don't want any holes in the boat because I remember last time we played and we did the strategy. I know, it just popped you out. Let's go! Okay, I'm at the waterfall. I'm zooming into first person when I do this because it's amazing.
I don't know how, but it flung me out.
Alright, here we go. First person mode.
I'm opening up the legendary
What?
chest. I'm opening it up. Let's go.
Okay, I made it. I made it to the end!
Oh, I got a lot of stuff.
I made it!
Yeah, but for some reason it bugged me out. Or it kicked me out of the whole boat.
Let's
I got a
go.
lot of stuff from that legendary chest. Oof. Now I'm gonna buy one of the, not rare chests, but one of the chests.
It's cool when you make it to the end and the boat breaks down.
Yeah, I know.
Especially when you're in a little pod, because it's like, oh my god, we can't get out.
Alright guys,
But then it all
let's see
just
what's in the rare chest here. There's quite a lot of
Let's
stuff.
go, we won.
And I'm gonna buy the rare chest real fast. Actually, I'll save up for the epic because it's only 135, so I'm gonna save up for that.
Let's go, we won.
Made it? No.
Get it? Yeah, I got my load. Let's
Because
go.
it
We
kicked me
got
out
this
for some
in our bag. Okay. 105 plus gold.
I just sat.
I'm gonna make a car. I'm gonna make a car, alright? We're gonna make a car.
We're gonna make a car. You got a motor?
No, we don't need a motor. I already got wheels.
Oh, you have wheels. So this is gonna be Jesus boat number 2. We're replacing the cube with Jesus boat number 2, which is gonna be the car. It might not have to look pretty as long as it works. Doesn't have to look pretty. I don't know what I'm wearing. What am I actually wearing, bro? Holy. Hey, Mark.
Like Brayden said, you smell like cheese.
Turds.
Cheese curds. Ah! Bum 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 bum. Da-da-dum. Dong dong. Shingai nai hi. Yahi. Dong gong 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 gong.
What does Royal Member do?
I don't know.
It's the highest member. Oh, it gives you 4 barrels of TNT, 300 plus more health, and 25 more gold. Or 25%.
Bum 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 bum. Da-da-dong.
Dun dun. Alright, I'm gonna leave and join back, guys, so, you know, that would be intermission.
Dong gong 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 gong. Da-da-dong.
Bam, bam. Intermission screen. This is only for my live streams, but, you know, it's just how we gotta do it around here, you know. Oops, that's stream
Dong
ending.
dong 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 dong. Request the John White team.
Will do.
Hold on.
Yeah, I got 4 things of TNT. It gave me 4 things of TNT.
Dong 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 dong. Da-da-dong. We're doing the car strategy.
Jesus car too. Bam bam.
The Jesus car.
Bam bam bam.
I'm covering the wheels so that way they have like a protection too, if you know what I mean.
Protection too. This is in Minecraft.
No, like the wheels have a protection.
You will protect me. I'm the royal member.
Ding 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 ding.
Dang
Tick a
dang.
ding.
Bam bam.
Bum 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 bum. Tick a
Bam
dong.
bam.
Do 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 do. Bum bum ba dee bo
Are
dee
you trying
dee.
to build the thing that goes around the wheel thing?
Yeah, so that way the wheel has some protection and that it doesn't break.
I'm gonna get this mic off.
Bum 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 bum.
Bam
Bum
bam.
bum.
Bam bam.
Dinga doo addy
Yeah, I'm
addy.
gonna place a chair for you. We're living in luxury. That's why I got this golden shirt here. We're living in luxury.
Okay. And then bum 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 bum. Yeah, I'm putting protection on the wheels so that way, like I said, they don't break as
This
fast.
Jesus boat is looking kind of weird. Or the Jesus car.
It's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Trust me.
It's the first ever car known to mankind. Of course it looks stupid. But, you know, it will work.
But there's gonna be no malfunctions.
Yes, no malfunctions because it's Jesus's car.
The Jesus Car 2000.
That's a nice name. As the
It's
royal
got nice
member,
luxury.
you must guard me.
I need you to delete that chair so I can place the chair that I can drive the car. Alright, let's get it. Hopefully this works. I'm hoping that the car works. Alright. Oh yes, it works! And the wheels have barriers. Let's go. It's going super duper fast too. Let's go, this works. Are you dying? What the heck just happened? I really want us to flip back over again, maybe. Just die. That was a good design, though. We just went too fast. Okay.
Alright guys, we can buy... Can I? No, I can't. I thought I could buy an epic chest on camera. Alright guys, well, this is going to be the end of the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. We opened a legendary chest on camera and it almost won, but I got kicked out of the thing for some reason. And I'll see you in the next Team Unique video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications because we upload every Monday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!